Healthy roots are the foundation of strong plants. But did you know that the health of your soil plays a big part in root development? Soil aeration is a crucial practice that helps maintain soil health and promotes the growth of robust root systems. In today's video, we'll explore why aerating your soil is important, how it helps roots, and how you can improve soil aeration for healthier plants. Soil aeration refers to the process of introducing air into the soil. Healthy soil should have small air spaces between the soil particles. These air pockets are essential for the exchange of gases, which is important for root respiration. Without sufficient air, roots can't breathe and plant growth can be stunted. 1. Role of air in soil. Just like humans, plant roots need oxygen to survive. During respiration, roots take in oxygen from the soil and release carbon dioxide. If soil is compacted and lacks air spaces, this process becomes difficult, leading to poor root health. Soil aeration has several benefits that directly impact root health and plant growth. 1. Improved oxygen availability. Proper aeration improves oxygen availability to plant roots. With enough oxygen, roots can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, leading to healthier and stronger plants. 2. Better water drainage. Aeration also helps with water drainage. When soil is compacted, water can't move through it properly, leading to waterlogging. Aerating the soil ensures that water drains well, preventing root rot and promoting healthy root growth. 3. Nutrient absorption. Aerated soil allows for better nutrient uptake. Roots can penetrate deeper into the soil and access essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are needed for plant growth. Aerating your soil can be done in several ways, depending on the size of your garden or field. 1. Manual aeration. For small gardens, using a garden fork to manually loosen the soil is an effective method. Simply insert the fork into the soil and gently pull it upward to create air pockets. 2. Mechanical aeration. For larger areas, mechanical aerators or core aerators can be used to create deeper holes in the soil. These machines pull out small plugs of soil, allowing air to reach deeper layers. 3. Cover crops. Another natural way to improve soil aeration is by planting cover crops like clover or vetch. These plants have deep roots that penetrate compacted soil and create natural air pockets, which improve aeration. Let's look at an example. In a study conducted in Maharashtra, farmers who regularly aerated their soil saw a significant increase in crop yields. The soil was less compacted, had better water drainage, and allowed for healthier root systems, resulting in a 15 to 20% increase in wheat and rice production. This case shows how aeration can lead to better plant health, stronger root systems, and ultimately higher yields. In conclusion, soil aeration is a simple but powerful practice that helps improve root health. It promotes better oxygen and nutrient uptake, improves water drainage, and strengthens plant growth. Regularly aerating your soil can lead to healthier plants and better crop yields, so make sure to prioritize this practice for thriving gardens and fields. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Do you practice soil aeration in your garden or farm? Share your experiences with us in the comments.